My name is Shanita Jones. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm also the founder of Jones Taxes and Financial Services, where we help healthcare, childcare, and other service-based business owners build scalable, sellable businesses through the proactive use of accounting and tax strategies. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the financial systems that every business needs. When we get into defining financial systems in your business, we're actually talking about all the movements of money, money in and money out, and it's important that we have these systems so that we can track, understand, and grow our finances within our business. What we need to understand about financial systems in our business is that every business has financial systems. Now, how organized and how streamlined it is, that's going to directly determine how profitably you're able to grow and scale your business. Your financial systems are the heart and soul of your business. Financial systems help you to track the money as it flows throughout your business, and they also give you a gauge so that you can judge your performance and make sure that things are on track. One of the biggest myths that business owners have about financial systems is that they don't need them until they reach a certain level in their business or a certain revenue milestone. However, I challenge you to consider that part of what may be preventing you from reaching these goals as quickly as you could is not having these systems in place so that you can measure and track where you are in relation to where you want to be. The second myth that a lot of small business owners believe is that financial systems are too complicated to implement and they can't wrap their heads around it. But what I like to challenge you to do is to first back up and let's look at the term financial systems. When we think financial, think about money. And when you think about systems, think about how parts move together. So when we get to thinking about how the money in our business is moving throughout our business, it isn't so complicated after all now, is it? Having these financial systems in place is essentially making sure that the money is moving through your business correctly and increasing your bottom line. Many business owners believe that financial systems are too expensive to implement. However, the fact of the matter is not having financial systems and what it could be costing you by not having them in place is actually more expensive than it is to implement them in the first place. Your financial systems are going to help you to price your products and services, to get paid, ensure you're getting paid on time, pay yourself, and overall grow your business. One mistake I see a lot of small business owners make is they wait to implement financial systems in their business until they receive a certain requirement or until they reach a certain milestone. However, having financial systems in place sooner can actually help you to reach these goals more quickly, and it'll also ensure that you will be ready so that you not have to get ready when the requirements do arise. Another mistake business owners make when it comes to their financial systems is that they aren't consistent. So they may have financial systems in place but not use them consistently. Then when a need arises for them to be able to produce usable financial reports, the reports are unreliable because of that inconsistency. When you have a financial system, having one alone isn't enough in and of it by itself. You actually want to consistently use it. Unfortunately, many small business owners make one grave mistake when it comes to their financial systems. They fail to seek the support, guidance, advice, services of experts when it's time. By not seeking the support and guidance, many business owners have financial systems in place, but the data that it produces is erroneous, which helps them to operate on bad information, make bad decisions, and ultimately have bad business practices. So it's super important that you have financial systems in place and you consult experts when you need to. The first thing that I would suggest you do when you're ready to get your financial systems in place is take an assessment. Understand what systems you do have in place, no matter how big or small. Also think about what you would like for these systems to do for you in a perfect world. Get all of this information together so that when you go to consult an expert, that expert will understand what you need in your business so that they can create a program to be able to support you in your goals in a way that won't ask you to deviate too far from what you normally would do. Follow me on Instagram at CPA_tax lady. I'm also on Instagram at Shanita Jones CPA. And on Facebook, you can find me, Shanita Jones CPA.
The Combo, your home for conversations on Black entrepreneurship and wealth, available on your favorite platforms.